Symbol Sink Company Limited is the largest stainless steel sink manufacturer in Malaysia, who built 3 plants in Malaysia. The total area is more than 172,000 square feet, and the production capacity over 1 million sinks per year. Over 95% of it exported to United States and Canada. The first plant was built in 2012 to help importers to avoid the high anti-dumping duty to North America. Now, this plant focuses on punching and annealing process. There are 7 press machines working every day. Over 90,000 PCS sinks can be pressed here per month. In 2017, the second plant was set up to meet the expanding customers' demand. This is the first automated production line in Asia, an exclusive Symbol Sink production line. This automatic production line runs at least 22 hours per day, doubling the production capacity and significantly lowering the costs. In this production line, less labor is needed in operation, and the instability caused by human factors can be avoided. In May 2019, when the U.S. Customs officers audited sink factories in Malaysia, Symbol Sink was the only factory that has all necessary equipment, genuine mass production capacity, and full set of USA exportation documents they approved. Our handmade sink plant in Malaysia was built at the end of 2018. More than 300 handmade sinks are customized here. In order to maintain our customers' leading position in the industry, our R&D department and the sales department keep working in the market research, skill improvement, and the new products development with our customers. Our customers only need to focus on their sales, and Symbol Sink will provide the 100% support. Our stable premium quality will help customers to gain more market share. Symbol Sink will be your strong backup. Contact us today, and we are ready to help you here right now.